Hey everybody, this is Ashley Jones, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to use my block piecer to draw your very own quilt block to be pieced in the hoop. We're going to be drawing this block, these three triangles, to be pieced in the hoop. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure that you have your settings to snap to grid. So if you go to Tools and General Options, under your grid settings, make sure that this option, Snap to Grid, is checked. Once you've done that, say OK. I'm going to make a 4-inch block. You can make your block whatever size you want. So I'm going to zoom out so that I can see on my ruler my 4-inch area. So I'm going to click here and just zoom out to 100%. So now I'm going to use my guidelines to give me a visual area of the block I'll be drawing. So I'm going to click on my ruler and hold my click and drag out my guideline. I'm going to do a 4-inch block, so I'm going to do 2 inches here all the way over to the 2-inch mark here to give me my 4 inches. So I'm going to click, drag another guideline here, and from the top I'm going to do the same thing. Click, hold, drag your guideline, click, hold, drag your guideline. So this area here is your 4-inch area that you're going to be creating the block. So to create a block in the hoop, we have to draw every piece that's going to be pieced in the hoop. I'll show you what that's like. So to draw our block, we're going to use our artwork pen tool. So click this arrow next to your artwork tool for this drop-down menu and select your pen artwork tool. And we're going to draw the first big triangle. I'm going to click up here on my grid line and then click in this bottom corner. And because I have it snapped to grid, it pops right to that corner. Click and click. Once I've done my final click, I'm going to do a right mouse click to release. And now I'm going to draw my other two triangles here. So I'm going to click, 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 and click. And a right mouse click to set that triangle. And again, draw my last triangle, click, 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 and my final click, and then I'm going to do a right mouse click. So now I have my block drawn. So once I've done my final right mouse click, I'm going to choose my select tool and I'm going to select everything on the screen. I'm going to go to Edit and select all, and now choose my workflow tool. And here I've got my block. It's going to stitch piece 1, then 2, then 3. So this is just my artwork. To turn it into stitches, I click the Auto Build and then click Preview. And there is the design that's going to piece my block in the hoop. From here, you'll want to save it, name your block, choose the format for your embroidery machine, and it's ready to go to stitch out your block. Hope this helps.